Hello friends, this video we are going to learn how to find the internal resistance. Okay, internal resistance from the EMF. Okay, so from the battery, chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy from the battery plus or minus with the internal resistance will be there small r. I am taken external resistance will be capital R. It is a EMF, a total EMF. Okay, and it is a internal resistance, it is external resistance. I will show with the liquid. Okay, so in liquid we have the two rods, electrodes. The liquid, the solution we can call it is chemical energy we can call electrolytes. This rod we can call electrode. Okay, the external resistance I am connected here, capital R. So because of the liquid, internal resistance will be created. Because of the electrolytes, the internal resistance will be created. Okay, so from when we bought the battery, we will have the voltage, it's a total EMF. Okay, so its chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy, and also it's going to erase with the internal resistance. Okay, so the total EMF, we have two voltage. One is the external voltage, which one is a terminal voltage. Another one is the internal voltage, which one is a drop voltage. Total EMF is a V plus VD. So external voltage is created due to the external resistance, but drop voltage is created due to the internal resistance. Okay, so due to the internal resistance, so actually we have to divide two part. One is the external, it's a terminal voltage. Internal is a drop voltage. So drop voltage is created due to the internal resistance, and external voltage is created due to the external resistance. So both together only we will get as the EMF. Okay, so we, according to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, I capital R plus I small r is equal to EMF. So I am taken outside, so R plus small r is equal to EMF. So I is equal to EMF divided by R plus small r. So it is a current flowing in the circuit. Now I want to find what is the internal resistance, small r. Okay, so you can bring it this as here, this as here. R plus small r is equal to epsilon, that is a total EMF divided by I. So capital R I am bringing this side, so I R is equal to EMF divided by I minus capital R. Okay, the same equation we can write with the relation of voltage also. I is common for this and this, but when you are taking here, you should take as a common I. Okay, so you should take it as a LCM. So R is equal to EMF minus I capital R divided by I. I capital R is going to be represented as a V. Okay, EMF minus V divided by I, we can take it as a what is the internal resistance. Internal resistance is equal to EMF minus V divided by R. Thank you.